Hey, this is Art with OCRV Repair and Service in Yorba Linda. Just show you a couple projects that are sitting here getting ready to go on. The Sprinter repair work is our passion here. We've outfitted our shop to specialize in Sprinter service, repair, and collision repair. We have all the factory welding equipment, frame equipment, and the properly trained techs to execute the repairs on these things professionally and factory restored product. So this one's in for some service work. We're also building interiors here as well. We have a new company that we've acquired, Vanaholics, and this one's queued up. We're getting ready to build an interior for this one, and we'll post up some videos of some completed ones as well. So this is a brand new 2022 four-wheel drive van getting ready to go. Managed Mobile, we do all their collision repair. This was a brand new unit. They got rear-ended pretty hard, and we're right in the middle of a rear-end collision on this one. This one unfortunately got rear-ended and front-end damage. So this will go up on the select frame bench, and we will be showing you some new video of that. It's a pretty neat process. We've got to drop the engine, transmission, and rear end and put it up on the frame bench, and then make all the chassis corrections back together, and then I'll go to body and paint. So we also specialize on the Ram product and the Ford product as well. Here's another one, got rear-ended. You can see how this floor is buckled up here on this, and this will also have to do a partial jig on the Select bench, and we'll do some video of this thing being pulled and corrections made on it. It's real neat to see, but we will get this back to brand new. Another unit that got rear-ended, not too bad a damage here. This will just take some minor pulls and replace the doors and the rear bumper and stuff, and then it'll be back to the customer. So if you've got a Sprinter you need repaired, body, collision, interior, we're the place. OCRV in Yorba Linda, California.